same also in America.
Yes, that's the plan. That's the plan.
No, it's Indonesia and things like that.
Talk about.
India. But I think afterwards they also produced.
Pingu is filming himself with his camera, drinking beer.
You can also join if So what is the name of this hotel? Post Plaza.
Post Plaza.
So I'm in Leeuwarden now. It's a city in Friesland, in Netherlands.
Yeah.
And why they call it
Capital.
Friesland?
Capital.
Oh, it's the capital of Friesland.
Capital of Friesland.
And Friesland is like a region
It's
in Netherlands.
It's a province. It's province. Yeah. And before it was a separate country. Yeah?
It's a separate country.
They merged together. You have Holland, you have Friesland, and you have Zeeland. Or two different.
And they do have also an official language.
Yeah.
Like the Fries,
Yes.
is an official language of
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
So
so
those people don't like this, but
but he knew also the waiter. He knew the Fritz one word. This is a Fritz word.
yes.
Yeah.
So
Fritz. So
you can also
Choc.
choke it's
Choc. No, it's choc. It's
choke.
choc.
Choke.
Choc is opposite.
Yeah.
cheers,
So
cheers.
choke means cheers, and the name of the beer is
Canales.
Kinellis.
Niles.
Knillis.
Knillis.
But it's written as IPA, but it doesn't taste like an IPA. It doesn't have that
No, because they
hoppy
put coffee.
coffee.
they put coffee,
Yeah.
Yeah, the coffee is.
the coffee flavor is really strong.
Yeah. Coffee is strong.
Yeah.
And you can also ask
good
to
coffee.
Ahmed what does he think about Friesland.
So also the color is more like Crike's. It's a little bit fruity, color-wise.
Yeah, otherwise true.
It's not like a blonde or it's not.
No.
It looks like apple juice.
It looks like
no,
apple
but
juice.
it looks like in French we say ambré beer.
Yes, it's like amber. It's like amber.
Yeah. Amber beer.
Arbel.
Alors t'as regardé pour Indonésie là?
Huh?
Did you check for Indonesia?
I'm checking.
Yeah, I know it's Dutch.
It has very strong
But the
coffee
Dutch people
flavor.
had
Very
before
strong.
India. The first colony. I mean, it's not colony. So the Dutch people had.
The Dutch, you mean?
Yeah, the Dutch had and the Portuguese had commercial harbors.
Yes,
in
West
India.
West India. Yeah.
In
And
West
afterwards,
India.
West India,
the English came and all
They
the
took
places were.
over all the.
Yeah, but it's not took over. British when they came with their
They
boats,
negotiate.
and they bombed all the harbor and they killed everyone and then
Yeah.
afterwards they came.
Yeah, and then they do.
The Dutch people most of the time when they saw the British they already left. They knew. They were really.
No, but there were
And
also
then,
this.
then they moved to Indonesia. So all the
I didn't know that.
Yeah, that was also kind of a negotiation between British and Dutch people that they will control the Indian territory and this Dutch people will move to all these smaller islands like Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and everything.
But the Dutchies also moved to the Caribbean. I think as well.
Yeah, Suriname. And
yeah. Yeah, I'm interested in history, so.
Yeah. Very interesting to know. Like Dutch has a wider zone.
But here, here it is written that there was this king Raja Batak from Sumatra, Indonesia, and I think from there they bring their coffee or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
What is written? Gebauren met
But
Tom.
it's a little bit. I need. I'm going to.
It's
little bit too dark.
Raja Batak.
Yeah.
It's
I think originally they bring coffee from Indonesia and from there they made it. But this guy also told that this beer is named after the architect of this hotel.
there is a name, India Pale Ale. What is it?
It's a type of beer, IPA, Indian Pale Ale. But it's not related to India, it's related to Red Indians.
Red India.
Yeah.
That's only full form of IPA. I never knew the full
Yeah,
form.
but it doesn't taste like IPA because in IPA you should have more hops. It has a different taste. But this one is more coffee. Coffee flavor is strong. But also I'm not feeling any
Any like
like carbonation.
Yeah,
of the
they say here that it's taken
It's
from
different.
a coffee from
You will
Sumatra
like after some time.
that
While
has
drinking
more
it,
chocolate,
so
a little bit of chocolate taste.
Caramel.
feeling like any
Yeah, caramel. Chocolate.
Your light is
aftertaste.
Yes.
It's for reading
Because
because it's a
sometimes
little bit dark.
when you are drinking
and
something,
this is
you feel the
7%
aftertaste.
alcohol.
Yeah, and which is bit strong.
Yeah.
That is not there.
Yeah.
They also
They brewed it
these
good,
days.
actually.
These new beers are also mentioning something called EBC and EBU. These numbers. So
Yeah.
it defines how much
With dual, I feel
bitterness it has. One of this
Dual,
number
dual.
like EBC and
Yeah,
EBU. I don't
you
know
have
which
that
is what.
aftertaste, huh?
But one of this number
Which is really
tells about
dual
how
shimmy.
bitter the beer is,
You feel that after
and another number tells what is like color.
stronger.
What's your
So
favorite
this
beer?
modern breweries are making like that.
I've tried once beer
But I think
called-
this is nice.
But I really appreciate that one because
But also they have some beers on draft, which I heard for the first time. The brand.
Bush is
some-
is the 12 degree.
Yeah,
huh?
they had some other. Maybe next round we can. try.
Okay.
Taste the special
I tried
Christmas,
that.
the Christmas bush.
I think it's 12 degree, which I tasted the highest one of Bush.
It's the 12, yeah.
It's
The
12
special-
degree
the
and it's
special
not
edition.
Bush, Bush,
Yeah,
Bush.
the Bush, the Christmas edition.
Yeah.
It's really strong. Huh? The
It's
Christmas
really
edition
strong.
is the strongest. Huh?
Yeah.
But Bush in general is very strong. It's more than 10 or 5?
12, 12.
10 or so.
But I
12
think,
degree, and it's
And that's a beer from
Belgium.
Belgium.
It's also
is-
from Belgium.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the name.
It's also from your country, huh?
But
You do strong beer, huh?
Yeah, we do. Yeah. Normally, I like to drink a Duvel, so Duvel's already. not
Duvel
strong.
is the best one. Huh?
Yeah.
no, but Duvel.
Duvel is devil. Huh?
Duvel means
Yeah,
devil.
Duvel, I'm familiar.
But Duvel has not only high alcohol, but taste-wise also it tastes a little bit strong. But you know, in Ghent there is this church.
Yeah.
Used to be a church, a big church,
Yeah, but you can.
where they converted it to a bar,
Yeah,
and
that's
there
right.
they serve Duvel beer. So it's a little bit irony that in a church you are getting Duvel
Yeah,
beer.
that's nice. Huh?
No, yeah.
It's a church that they converted in. Yeah, thank you.
Vedet.
Vedette is also nice. Vedette is also
That is nice, huh, man?
Very nice.
That, yeah.
I was very fond of it.
different kind of
I,
bread.
Yeah, good bread.
I found out during the match, the final match.
So this beer has
final of
a very strong coffee taste.
Ah, the final cup.
The final cup.
Vedet.
Last year.
I have tried
I haven't
different
drank Vedet.
beers with coffee,
Have you tried
but
Vedet?
this one is a
Vedet,
little bit
yeah.
different.
Yes,
I think it's like
It's called
Orval,
Nilet,
kind of.
and I think it's only available in this hotel, Post
Sorry,
Plaza. It's in New Warden, out of Netherlands.
yes.
So if you're coming here, you can try it.
Somehow.
But it doesn't have any smell. If you smell very strongly, then you have coffee smell.
Super good.
Have you ever been to Chimay? I would like to go there once. Like to
The
Chimay,
city.
But yeah, Yasin, if you like beer and if you want to go some weekend, we can plan. Because I don't have car, I cannot go. Because if you want to go to Orval, it's not possible.
I went there already. You can go. No?
Orval.
Yeah,
It's a good
I
place.
visit the church and so on. Yeah.
Orval beer
And they
is
do special. And they do.
Orval is in Belgium, like almost like border France
So
border.
it's also
It's in the Luxembourg region.
All are Belgian beers, huh? We are talking about in Dutch.
We start with Belgian beer.
it's also like Chimay is like it's a Trappist beer.
Sime is Trappist, Orval is Trappist. But good thing about Orval is that anyways it's very rare. But these days you can find in Delhaize supermarket. Many Belgians like it. But if you go to
Orval is really good. Huh?
But if you go to their monastery, you can drink something called Orval Green. Orval Green.
I tasted it already.
It's only available in the monastery.
Yeah, only
It's
available
not
there.
green color. I don't know. I
No,
have.
I just a name actually.
Okay.
But it is a different. Huh?
Yeah, it's a bit different, and the taste I would say it's a slightly stronger compared to the normal Orval, but it's really good. It's really good. The green Orval.
But the Orval has a very good taste. Huh?
For me,
Because
Orval
I
is
had
okay,
it
but many people like it. There is a huge fan following for Orval.
Yeah, I really like it.
Throughout. Huh? I've heard a lot.
I would like to know how they manufacture this.
Normally it's interesting. Normally we stay in the prison.
I also recently realized that there is this
Different.
brewery in Anderlecht
That is
where,
That is
where
very
they
catchy about
make brewery in a different technique called spontaneous fermentation.
Drink and
So they don't add yeast,
it's a beer to
they just keep it open.
But if you finish
And in
it,
that
I think
building,
you'll get drunk.
the air
Yes, but
itself
it's
has
not-
so many
it's not
bacteria
a beer
that
to-
it ferments.
It seems that in Brussels,
It's not like Like
And the Seine before, now it's a little bit polluted, so the river has a lot of bacteria, so that's why they make chimay and chimay, sorry,
you enjoy the
This is not a beer to get drunk.
it's more natural.
Yeah.
when you're Dutch.
Flemish, Dutch.
He knows how to speak Dutch, huh? Well,
Only to girls.
No?
He can't talk to you.
It's not an example, but
not formal at all,
yeah. But it's close to Belgian. It's accent more
like
yeah.
a lot of words, lot of mistakes, and a lot of...
But it's
So many languages.
Do you like the beer?
Yeah,
It's nice. It's nice.
yeah, very good.
enjoy the taste.
Okay.
I've tried a couple of coffee beers and this is different. It's nice.
Yeah.
More beer for me.
More beer. Okay.
Yeah.